My name is Amos Nungu, the Director General of the Tanzania Commission for Science and Technology. And I have been in position for 6 years now, since 2018. So COSTECH is an acronym for the Commission for Science and Technology in Tanzania. COSTECH was established by the Act of 1986, and its mandate, it is the principal advisory organ of the government on the scientific research and technology development matters in the country. In the same act that established COSTECH, there are 3 establishments: the commission, the center, and the funding together. So on one aspect, we act as a regulator based on the enactment of the act. So all the R&D institutions and higher learning institutions, they are affiliated to COSTECH. When we joined the initiative, SGCI, yes, we have benefited a lot from being part of the initiative. First of all, there are things which were maybe taken for granted. For example, we managed to review our frameworks. For example, research integrity, we had it, but the importance, I think it was much more emphasized during our participation, but also have a new framework regarding, gender. So we learned from that one, and now we have the National Gender Mainstreaming Framework. So there are tools which we learned as part of, being in the initiative. We received the funding, and we used that funding now to test our internal systems. We received the last one, I think, from IDRC, which was, we took it into looking into the imaging technologies. So there is a lot which being part of this system strengthened our way of working. Last year, through SGCI, of course, we are part of the Global Research Council, and I think members of the SGCI, South Africa, Kenya, Wallace, Tanzania, we participated in a pilot project, which, it has a tremendous benefit to us, because we learned a lot from that one, in a sense that 4 continents coming together in that multilateral research cooperation, where 11 countries coming together to support collaborative research. On one part, it was an opportunity for our researchers to partner, to learn from each other, and to access resources and research infrastructure from the other countries, but also the call process, where COSTECH was involved, so including the reviewers, Tanzanian reviewers was involved. So that one also, it is a kind of capacity building. So we learned from that one, and we are applying the same what we learned in that multilateral research cooperation to to do call processing through our internal calls, because currently we have another call we launched on climate change, and we received quite a lot number of proposals. So we used the same principles we learned through the multilateral research cooperation now to have international reviewers of the proposals. So I would say, yeah, there's a lot we have learned from being part of the SGCI, and we kept learning. But when you were saying about the lesson learned in general, if I can pick one big, it is kind of, on the funding aspect, because, the government has many priorities. So as much as they put aside funding for research and innovation, but the funding is not enough. But also our partners see that the government now has the trust with COSTECH, then they put in money to COSTECH. Also, the funding from the partners, I see as it increasing.